Manitoba Chicken Producers is pleased to be working and volunteering at Harvest Manitoba today. Manitoba Chicken Producers started our association with Harvest Manitoba going back about 7 or 8 years ago when we started sponsoring the golf tournament. However, it soon became apparent to us through communication and discussion with Harvest Manitoba that really wasn't going to cut it. There is a huge need for proteins for families that were vulnerable in Manitoba. In 2020, Manitoba Chicken Producers launched our Caring for Communities program. Our Caring for Communities program was producers donating 1,000 chickens a week and our processing partners in our industry, Door Cooperative and Sunrise Farms, both providing the processing at no charge. Those 1,000 chickens a week started getting delivered to Harvest Manitoba in July of 2020. And here we are today, September 2024. The Manitoba Chicken Producers and Door and Sunrise have donated 1,000 chickens a week for over 4 years. We're very pleased that those donations have now totaled over $2 million in that time frame. There's still a lot of work to do. There's still a lot of vulnerable families in Manitoba that require our help now more than ever, but we are pleased to be doing our part to help those Manitobans.